welcome back to the channel. Today I have a comparison and review video. In this video I will be reviewing and comparing the Undefeated Nike Dunk vs AF1 pack. Now of course these sneakers don't technically come as a pack, but they are deemed the Dunk vs AF1 pack. These are the Dunk lows, these are the Air Force Ones obviously. So if you guys are unfamiliar with this concept, previously Nike and Undefeated collabed on an Air Force One that had this colorway and a Nike Dunk High that had this colorway. Now they switched the colorways on the silhouettes. So they switched the original Air Force colorway onto the Dunk, and they switched the Dunk colorway onto the Air Force. Now we have this Canteen color for the Dunks. We have an olive Ballistic colorway for these Air Forces. So what I'll do in this video is I'll show you guys an up close look at both, tell you which one I like more, show a little comparison of them side by side, and overall show some of the details of the sneakers and everything you need to know. I have done a quick on feet and look at each of these sneakers on my channel. If you guys want to check them out, just go onto my channel. You'll see I recently uploaded these videos. You'll see sizing in there, how they look on feet and all that good stuff. So let's start off right away. Personally, I like the Air Forces a lot more. First of all, I'm more of an Air Force One silhouette person, and I think this colorway is just a lot nicer than this. Now this one stands out a little bit more, and they did use a lot of cool materials on these, and that yellow really pops. The different materials make it look unique. So if you guys want a little bit more of a unique sneaker, probably go with the Dunk. But I think overall better looking by far are these Air Forces. Of course, we get that Undefeated 4 vibe with these. The olive upper, the black hits, the sail midsole, blackout sole. Overall, I think they just executed this one perfectly. After you guys see the up close view of these, I want you to let me know which one you like more. I know initially a lot of people were leaning towards these Dunks, but I think colorway wise, a lot of people love those Undefeated 4s, so I'm not really sure why this Air Force isn't more hyped right now. I think down the line they will be a lot more sought after, that's for sure. So yeah, after you see this video, I don't know, let me know if your opinion changed, which one you like more, why you like it more, and all of that. Just comment down below. I'll try to get back to all of your comments. But yeah, with that said, once again, here's the Dunk and here's the Air Force, and let's get right into the up close look at these. All right, everyone, so getting into the close look, first thing I want to mention is they both come in the same box. As you can see, it says Dunk versus AF1, the Undefeated logo there, and then we have the Undefeated logo there, and of course the size labels and everything. And inside, both of them are going to have this print right there. But with the box out of the way, let's get right into the sneakers. First thing I want to mention before I forget, the Air Forces don't come with any extra laces. The Dunks come with these yellow pair of extra laces. These are going to match really well with the swoosh if you want to switch them. I personally think it's going to look better with these laces that are already on it. But of course, if you want a more vibrant look, you can definitely add those yellow laces. All right, so let's start off with the Air Forces. Personally, as I mentioned, I like the Air Forces a lot more. I really love this olive color. These really remind me of the Undefeated Jordan 4s, and I also love the Air Force silhouette. So because of that, this is definitely my favorite from the pack. I know a lot of people seem to like the Dunk a little bit more. I'm not sure why, honestly. Even the colorway on the Air Forces is nicer, but everyone has their own opinion. Let's get a look into these. I'm showing you guys a 360 of these. So with these, we have these ballistic nylon material on this, as you guys can see right there. We have a nice, kind of like a suede material on it. As you guys can see, the pattern on it is actually very nice. And you see that same kind of pattern on here. It's like a nubuck suede kind of feel. It's really, really cool. You don't really see this on sneakers too often. As you guys can see, the Undefeated patch right there on the heel. Now this is fully embroidered. Very, very premium. And then we have a Nike Air hit on the heel tab as well. Once again, fully embroidered, as you can see. Stitching on it is very nice. Of course, we have that black swoosh on the medial side as well. We have a nice sail midsole. I really, really love that. I'm glad they went with sail instead of white. Really matches that olive upper. Of course, you guys can see the black stitching going all throughout. And then we have a nice black outsole right there. Contrasts the sail midsole and flows really well with that upper. Sock liner on this pair, also black, as you guys can see. And then let's take a quick look at the insole. We have an olive insole in these, and it says Dunk vs AF1. Nice bright orange Undefeated logo right there. And then we got the Undefeated stamp on the tongue as well. So, definitely can see the Undefeated logo in a lot of places, and I really like that. I like when they do a collaboration and, you can see the logo a lot. It's very visible in multiple places. Definitely a great touch. Yeah, just take a quick look at these. As I mentioned, I do like the Air Forces more. Absolutely beautiful sneaker. This is honestly one of my favorite Air Forces that have dropped in probably the past 5 years. That's how much I like these. People are sleeping on these. I'm just letting you guys know right now, in a few years, I think these are going to be very sought after. Of course, there's a lot of pairs in the market right now, so that's why prices aren't really too high on them. I mean, that's a good thing. If you didn't get a chance to cop it on Undefeated, I would for sure say go ahead and pick it up on the resale market. They aren't going for much right now. But those are the Air Forces. Let's get into the Dunks. So this colorway, I'm not feeling as much. But of course, they're just staying true to the whole concept of the Dunk versus AF1. But let's take a quick look at these. Again, we got that yellow swoosh right there. Nice tumbled leather. And then again, here we have that embroidered Undefeated logo on white on this pair. Taking a look at the heel, we have this shaggy suede. And then we have Nike just printed on there. Suede is nice premium material, and then the leather on these is very buttery. Taking a look at the medial side of these shoes, one thing I really love about these Dunks is that they use a lot of different materials on it, and I think that gives it this cool look. It's like very unique. As you guys can see, we have leather, we have like this weird, again, like kind of like this ballistic material. Stitching is on point. With these, we actually get a white midsole. Taking a look at the outsole, brown outsole. Going up the laces, we have like these dusty olive laces on these. Undefeated logo in black on the tongue. Again, I really like how the logo is visible in multiple places. Insole of these, we got Dunk vs AF1 written in white. Of course, we have the hits of orange right there. I would say these stand out a little bit more than the Air Forces because of the colorway, the bright yellow right there. You know, the different materials used on it. It's really nice. So these also feel really interesting. Like this part is like a cloth feeling, and then here it's like really rough. It's like, look at that design. I don't know how to explain it any better than that, but I'm pretty sure you guys could kind of get a basic idea of it from this video. Let me know which one you guys like. This is a nice up close look at them to compare them. To me, no question, I would have to go with the Air Forces. Just, I love that color more, and I love the Air Force silhouette more than Dunks actually. All right, everyone, thank you for watching that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and, you know, found this comparison helpful. Again, these are based off past sneakers that Undefeated and Nike have collabed on. They just switched the silhouettes, as I mentioned earlier. Both of them really nice sneakers. Once again, I would for sure go with the Air Forces. I think the color is just really nice and wearable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think Undefeated and Nike did a good job on this collab? Do you think they should have changed anything like that? Personally, I think they did a really good job. They stayed true to the concept. Both of these silhouettes are really in right now. People love Dunks, people love Air Forces, so perfect timing as well. So shout out to Undefeated for the collab. And if you guys enjoyed this content, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.